Hey, welcome back to another video. So, there are new updates from Amazon Merch. A new water bottle product has been added. The water bottle trademark class is 21. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a water bottle design using Snap or any extension you are using. This is going to be a quick video. You can edit your old designs, but I'm using a new design for this demo. Select your water bottle and then come here. Now, if you click on double-sided, it's going to do nothing. So here's the trick. First, refresh the old design. Then, first click on the tumbler design, and after that, click on the water bottle. Here, Snap will show the both side converter, but you need to click on the Download Copy button. Adjust your design and click on Apply and Upload. This will automatically download your design for both sides. Just drag and drop and upload the design. It's going to be perfect. The tumbler and water bottle size are the same. Even if you check on the Amazon product page, it's the same size. So now you can upload water bottles in a simple way. No editing or waiting. Now don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.